Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing so well. And good morning. We are back again with another amazing video. Our today's video is about some stone and the metal decor art for your garden and your home decor that will help you to reuse your waste material as like rocks and the old metal. Stone and the metal decor art have become increasingly popular in recent years, with homeowner and the garden enthusiast alike seeking unique and elegant piece or to add to their home and the outdoor spaces. These materials offer a versatile and a durable option for decor that can withstand and eliminate and add a touch of sophistication to any space. The stone decor art has a long and rich history dating back to the ancient time when stone carving and the statue was used to represent gods and the goddess. Today, stone decor art can be found in a variety of styles from modern and the abstract to traditional and the figurative. One of the most popular way to incorporate stone decor art into your garden is by using stone statue and the sculptures. Stone statue can be one of the most popular way to incorporate stone art is into a garden is by using stone statues and the sculptures. Stone statues can be used to create a focal point or a sense of drama in your garden. Then they can also be used to create a sense of whimsy or playfulness depending upon the style of the statue. In addition, statue stone can also be used to create a useful and a beautiful decor style at your home, and that will help you to reuse your waste material in a better way. These features not only add visual interest to your garden but also serve a practical purpose, such as providing a source of water for birds and a stable surface for walking. Stone decor art is also a popular choice for indoor decor, especially in a rustic or a Mediterranean style home. Stone wall, fireplace, and the ancient can add a sense of warmth and the texture to a space, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Stone tiles and the mosaic are also popular option for adding a touch of elegance to a bathroom and a kitchen. When selecting stone decor for art for your home garden, it's important to consider the type of stone and its durability. Natural stones such as marble, granite, and the sandstone are popular choice due to their durability and the resistance of weathering. These materials can also sensitive, expensive, and some may require proper maintenance to prevent staining and the damage. Metal decor art has also grown in popularity in recent years, with homeowners and the designers using metal to create a bold and the dramatic piece for both indoor and the outdoor spaces. Metal decor art can range from sleek and modern to ornate and the intricate, depending on the style and the technique used. One of the most popular way to use metal decor art is your garden is by incorporating metal sculpture and the statues. Metal sculpture can be made from a variety of materials, including steel, copper, and aluminum, and can range in a size for small garden orient to a large scale installation. Metal decor art can also be used to create a functional pieces for your garden, such as trestles, planters, and the bench. These pieces not only add a visual interest to your garden but also serve a practical purpose, such as providing support for climbing plants. a place of sit and enjoy in the garden. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and keep watching our channel and do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.